Hi, so this video is going to show you how you can get an image from a Google Doc and save it in your Google Drive in case you're having problems doing that, finding it. Because some of you guys, I know that you were supposed to submit just an image into a classroom assignment, but like I said, in case you submitted it as a doc, I'm going to show you how you can get this picture just saved exclusively as a JPEG, as an image format. So you are going to go to File, and you're going to download, and you're going to download as a web page. Okay, so after you do that, in your downloads, you should be able to locate this this zip drive. It's going to be a type of folder that is known as a zip drive. It's going to have a bunch of things in it. So you're going to go to Downloads, you go to the three buttons up here, and you go to your downloads. So here you're going to find your found object portrait. It's in it, and it's a zip drive. Double click on it. Then you're going to have it open, and you're going to see it. So you see here where you have a found object portrait in a folder. So the zip drive opened up, and and whatever's inside of that zip drive is put into another folder called the same thing. Open up the folder. You have the HTML, which is the web page, but inside, also in that folder, is a folder called Images, and there is your image. It's at that point where if you can have, if you have the ability to drag it into your Google Drive, or if you just want to save it like in your files, or in my case, I'm going to save it in the desktop. And then when I get back to my Google Drive, I can go to New, File Upload, and then I can go ahead and find that file. And I can go ahead and upload that. So hopefully that helps you, and good luck with that.